Hey guys, what's up? This is Promila and welcome back to my channel. So this video is one of the most important video for fashion designing students. I have done this illustration by a big help of coloring sellotape, and the remaining ingredients are black fabric, sketch pens, scissors, stitch. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful for your betterment, for trying your own fashion figures. And yeah, if any one of you wants the tutorial of model drawing separately, then let me know in the comments below. Then I will try to cover it separately. So without wasting any time, let's get started.